Hi boys and girls, we are going to do some more counting practice today with our paper. So go ahead and write your name at the top. And then what we're going to do is first we're going to write the numbers that match each section, and then you're going to cut them out and match them to the numbers that you wrote. So one thing I talked to you about is when you're counting, if you make little marks on your spot like that, then it helps you know that you've already counted that thing so that you don't count it twice and you get the right number. So using your pencil, let's count these dots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to write 8 in the box. Now let's count the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, that was a big one. So write 22. It's a 2 and a 2. Next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what number are we going to write? 16. The next one has the very most in there. So which number do you see in the box that has the most? Yeah, 28. So let's write 28 on the line. We know it's going to be that one. Okay, let's look at the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we write 14 in the box. Okay, let's see what this next one's going to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we'll write 24 in the box. Okay, good, boys and girls. We only have 2 more to go. So let's do this next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Good. And our last one, let's count together. I want to hear you counting at your desk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So let's write 17 in the box. Now you're going to take your scissors and glue and you're going to cut out this papers and glue them to the number that matches. So when you're all done with that, you turn it into the basket and do what your teacher would have you do next.